Digital transformation is the integration of digital technology into all areas of a business, fundamentally changing how you operate and deliver value to customers. It's also a cultural change that requires organizations to continually challenge the status quo, experiment, and get comfortable with failure. What is digital transformation? Digital transformations are not like typical business changes. Regular transformations usually finish once a new way of doing things is reached. But digital transformations are ongoing efforts to completely change how a company keeps getting better and adapts. These changes aren't short-term. Most executives will be working on this for their whole careers. That's because technology keeps becoming more important in business and it's always changing. For instance, as AI becomes crucial for business insights and decision-making, any digital transformation needs to include an AI transformation too. Why does establishing a digital transformation culture really matter? A business often embarks on digital transformation for various reasons, yet the primary driver overwhelmingly tends to be necessity, survival. Especially post-pandemic, the capacity to swiftly adjust to supply chain disruptions, cope with time-to-market demands, and swiftly respond to evolving customer expectations has become paramount. This process fundamentally establishes a framework for constructive change, placing the customer experience at its core. This holds significant importance due to the following reasons. 1. It speeds up how quickly products and services reach the market, improving their lifecycle efficiency. 2. Digital transformation enhances a company's internal processes, making them more effective. 3. Companies can't harness the power of data without undergoing digital transformation. 4. Digital transformation boosts both employee and consumer empowerment within a company. 5. Embracing new technologies is crucial for digital transformation. Avoiding technology isn't an option. What capabilities are needed to keep track of building digital transformation infrastructure on a regular basis? Successful digital transformation requires several coordinated actions. 6 critical capabilities stand out for achieving successful digital transformation. 1. Crafting a clear strategy centered on business value. Companies should focus their transformations on specific domains, customer journeys, processes, or functions that create significant business value. A roadmap guiding the transformation outlines necessary solutions and resources for change in prioritized domains. 2. Building a strong in-house talent pool. Digital excellence can't be outsourced. Having an in-house digital talent team working alongside business colleagues is essential. Comprehensive digital talent programs go beyond hiring, including employee value propositions, agile HR processes for talent management and training, and fostering an environment for talent to thrive. 3. Implementing a scalable operating model. Digital transformations rely on cross-functional teams. While most companies have a few such teams, scaling to support numerous requires new operating models such as the digital factory, product/platform model, and enterprise-wide agility model. 4. Establishing distributed technology for independent innovation. Organizations need technology that enables teams to continuously develop and release digital innovations. A distributed technology environment ensures teams have access to necessary data, applications, and software development tools. 5. Ensuring accessible and reliable data. Reliable, current data are vital for successful digital transformations. Data architecture should facilitate easy team access and undergo continual assessment and updates. Strong governance and structured data products are crucial elements. 6. Prioritizing adoption and change management. Unlike the linear process of traditional technology adoption, digital transformations involve iterative steps like designing, prototyping, and collecting feedback to capture maximum value. Allocating resources for process changes, user training, and change management is vital. Companies should plan for adoption and scaling early in their transformation journey to allocate necessary resources for successful change delivery. How the proper plan of digital transformation integrity should be implemented. Digital transformation typically starts with identifying a problem, a promising opportunity, or a visionary goal. Thoreau highlights that the rationale behind an organization's digital transformation could involve enhancing customer experience, streamlining operations, boosting productivity, or maximizing profitability. While the specifics of digital transformation depend on each organization's unique challenges, there are common elements and recurring themes observed in various case studies and frameworks. These elements often encompass enhancing how customers interact with your organization, flexibility in operations to adapt swiftly to changes, fostering a culture and leadership style supportive of digital transformation, empowering employees to leverage digital tools effectively, seamlessly integrating and utilizing digital tools and technologies within the organization. Although different guides offer diverse recommendations and steps, CIOs should seek these overarching themes when formulating their digital transformation strategies. Stages of digital transformation. What does digital transformation entail for a company? Is it a one-time investment or a continuous process? Holistic transformation is an ongoing process that unfolds through various stages. Just as Rome wasn't built in a day, digital synergies take time to develop. There are 6 distinct stages of digital transformation. 1. Business as usual. At this initial stage, the company is entrenched in its traditional methods and shows reluctance toward change. It operates on established key performance indicators, KPIs, and a proven business model. 2. Present and active. Here, the company begins recognizing the significance of digital technologies. It initiates pilot projects to evaluate the potential of transformation. 3. Formalized. In this phase, companies routinely experiment to understand what works best for them. The experimentation becomes more intentional and follows a clear direction. 4. Strategic. When various departments and teams collaborate to share experiment results, the company enters the strategic phase. This stage emphasizes a more holistic approach instead of focusing solely on individual experiments. 5. Converged. As the company progresses beyond isolated experiments and establishes a dedicated team for digital transformation, it reaches the converged stage. Processes associated with this transformation and respective roles become better defined. 6. Innovative and adaptive. The final stage marks a transformational shift where company leadership witnesses positive outcomes and acknowledges the ongoing nature of this process for sustained growth. What companies have achieved the best results in the implementation of adequate digital transformation strategy? For any company to embrace digitalization, it must reconfigure its operations. Once considered a fledgling startup, Amazon invested years in technology, data, performance management, and talent practices to ascend to an industry-leading position. The encouraging news is that successful digital transformations aren't exclusive to tech giants. Companies across diverse sectors can triumph on their digital transformation paths. Here are 3 illustrative examples. 1. Freeport MC Moran. This copper mining giant enhanced its performance significantly by implementing an AI model at an ore concentrating mill in Baghdad, Arizona. Their aim was to augment the site's copper output without significant capital infusion. They assembled cross-functional teams to construct, test, and refine the AI model, instigating a cultural shift towards swift iterations and continuous enhancement. The company designated a senior product manager to coordinate teams and optimize resource allocations, assigned a finance director for impact tracking and reporting, and introduced a quarterly planning system akin to business reviews. Top leaders convened to establish objectives, key results, and channel resources to high-priority areas. 2. Vistra, a major U.S. power producer. Vistra developed a multi-layered neural network model to boost overall efficiency, reliability, and emissions reduction. This model analyzed 2 years' worth of plant data, learning optimal efficiency factors in real time and offering suggestions to enhance the plant's heat rate efficiency every 30 minutes. Critical to its success was the ability to scale solutions through a machine learning operations infrastructure, ensuring application across Vistra's network stations. A cross-functional team, comprising plant operators, data scientists, analytics translators, and power process experts, ensured swift development, high-quality models, and model adoption. After reviewing digital transformation-related details of such establishment, it only remains to address the common misconception of its definition with digitalization. What is the difference between digitalization and digital transformation? Digitization means using digital tech to record data instead of writing it down by hand. It's like shifting from pen and paper to computers. But, digital transformation is a whole different story. It puts the customer at the center of every decision-making process. That is why the transformation process can only be done once there is a human presence in action, which is very unlikely in digitization.